The year is 2026, and Maserati has risen from the shadows with a machine so vicious, so unapologetically brutal that it rewrites everything you thought you knew about Italian performance. This isn't just another sports car. This isn't just an update. This is Maserati's revenge. The 2026 Maserati MC20 is here, and it is a weapon. A war machine disguised as an Italian hyper-sports car, built to destroy the competition and reclaim Maserati's crown in the kingdom of speed. Let's start where every monster begins, with its heart. Underneath that sculpted Italian body sits Maserati's masterpiece, the Nettuno twin-turbocharged V6, now re-engineered and armed with a cutting-edge hybrid system. The result? Horsepower numbers that push well beyond 700, with whispers of special editions punching even higher. Engage launch control, and the MC20 doesn't just move, it detonates. 0 to 60 in just over 2 seconds, with the top speed blasting past 210 miles per hour. This isn't a car that accelerates, this is a car that attacks. 1 second you're standing still, the next you're tearing a hole through time. But performance alone doesn't make a legend. Maserati knows this, and that's why the MC20 2026 design is pure aggression. Every line, every vent, every cut in the carbon fiber body serves a purpose. Aerodynamics isn't just engineering here, it's weaponry. The sculpted hood channels air with military precision. The active rear wing deploys like a jet fighter's flaps, slamming you into the asphalt at speeds where lesser cars start to panic. The diffuser? It looks like it was stolen off a Le Mans prototype. This isn't beauty for beauty's sake. This is design born from battle. A predator's silhouette, a shark with wheels. Step inside and the Maserati MC20 interior is nothing short of a fighter jet cockpit. Minimalist yet luxurious. Everything is angled toward the driver. Carbon fiber stretches across the dashboard. Alcantara wraps the doors, and the steering wheel looks less like a wheel and more like a control stick for a missile. Digital displays flood you with live telemetry, speed, torque distribution, hybrid energy flow, all at your fingertips. This is not an interior designed for comfort. It's designed for control. You don't drive the MC20, you command it. But let's get brutally honest. Maserati didn't build this car just for themselves. They built it with enemies in mind. The Ferrari F8 Tribute? Destroyed. Lamborghini's Huracan successor? Outgunned. McLaren 720S? Shaken. Maserati has spent years being underestimated, overshadowed by louder names. But the 2026 MC20 changes the game. It is the ultimate underdog story turned apex predator. And it's not just aiming to compete, it's aiming to humiliate. And here's the real killer blow, the Maserati MC20 hybrid system. In 2026, the world demands sustainability, but Maserati refuses to compromise performance. The hybrid tech doesn't soften this beast, it makes it deadlier. Instant electric torque kicks in before the turbos even spool, giving you a relentless wave of acceleration. You feel it the moment you touch the throttle. It's not just speed, it's shock and awe. Now let's talk numbers, because everyone wants to know. The Maserati MC20 price starts north of $250,000 depending on spec, with limited variants expected to climb even higher. Is it expensive? Absolutely. But you're not buying a car, you're buying a weapon, a piece of Italian engineering designed to dominate roads, racetracks, and rivals alike. And with its 2026 release, the MC20 isn't just a headline, it's the statement car of the year. And here's something the rivals don't want you to hear. The MC20 is still a Maserati at heart, which means it isn't just fast, it's exotic, it's rare, it's dripping in Italian drama. Park it next to a Ferrari or a McLaren and watch people gravitate toward it. The Trident badge still carries mystique, still carries intimidation, still carries that aura of a brand that was born on the racetrack. The Maserati MC20 versus Ferrari battle will be one for the ages. But here's the truth, the Ferrari is expected, the McLaren is predictable, the Lamborghini is loud, but the Maserati is the one nobody saw coming. And that's exactly what makes it dangerous. So buckle up, because the 2026 Maserati MC20 is more than a car. It's a declaration of war. It's Maserati's battle cry, a furious blend of hybrid power, Italian elegance, and unrelenting savagery. It doesn't whisper, it doesn't beg for respect. It takes it. This isn't evolution, this is revolution. And if you're not ready for it, step aside, because Maserati is done playing games. The MC20 is here. It's faster, it's louder, it's angrier, and it's ready to destroy.